In football, numbers tell stories, but intelligence builds champions. From the passion of the pitch to the precision of analytics comes Águila Analytics, the next generation of scouting intelligence for Club America. At the heart of our system is the analytical dashboard, powered by our own metric, the Team Compatibility Index (TCI). The TCI was developed by our team to measure how compatible players are within the same squad, considering both individual performance and collective synergy. It evaluates how two or more players complement each other when they share the pitch, helping optimize lineups, tactics, and recruitment decisions. It considers individual performance, individual metrics, tactical role and positions, and also style of play, position based, counter attack, or high pressing tendencies. We can interpret it as high if it is higher than 80, and it means strong chemistry, as medium between 50 and 79, and low below 50. We can see here the average, the number of players we are analyzing this time, and the average value also. We can see the top 10 players by this metric that we made, that we ponderate, also the distribution and the different position of the players. For the second part of our platform, we can identify the player profiles. Each player has a detailed profile showing offensive, defensive, and progression metrics. You can filter by season, by team, and position to understand their evolution over time. For example, Santiago Jimenez excels in offensive progression and finishing consistency, while another player stands out for creative passing or could stands out for link up play. Here we can see its different metrics like XG profile per 90, XA profile per 90, OVV profile depth per 90. And we can see also different metrics like offensive one, pass metrics, pressing metrics. We can see also a comparison to its league and highlighted strengths and areas of improvement. We can also identify a player comparator. Here it enables us to evaluate two players side by side. It combines metrics and visual indicators to identify who adapts better to the equip. Here we can identify that we have to compare the same position players to really have a good comparison. Here we can see some graphics and also offensive metrics, on ball value, pass metrics, dribble and careers, defensive metrics, and pressing metrics. And here we can have a better comparison of them. Also in our transfer lab, which is powered by AI we can simulate how a player would perform with transfers to Club America. For example, we can choose Edson Alvarez, and it assesses tactical compatibility, immediate impact, and adaptation potential. Here we can see, while it is just charging, that our final recommendation could be that it is recommended to pursue it as a strong addition to the squad. And we want to know why, because it's tactical compatibility, immediate impact, adaptation potential, and also we can identify risks and considerations. We can see its performance, projection, compared to the current ones, and other data that could be important. And finally, we have an interactive tactical board that let us simulate real formations and visualize team synergy. We can change the alignation, but each position is color based, and we can here easily change to our player acquisition, to see how it actually fits to the current team. Here we have an alignation. We also are going to analyze it with AI so we can identify how it works. We can select players by position, and then we're going to have a general evaluation, tactical strengths, areas of improvement, and a compatibility analysis and strategic recommendations. We're not looking for the best player. We're looking for the right player, the one who changes the game and the data proves it. This is Sport Analytics Redefined. This is Águila Analytics.